Tell me, Gandalf, did you think these things and Gandalfs of yours would go unnoticed?
Unnoticed? No. I'm simply doing what I feel to be right.
The dragon has long been on your mind. The dragon.
It is true, it's true. Smart owes allegiance to no one. But if he should side with side, a dragon could be used to terrible effect.
What? Gun, the enemy is defeated.
Quality
Is vanquished. He can never regain his full.
For 400 years we have lived in peace, a hard peace, one watchful peace.
Are we at peace? Have come down from
Quality
raiding villages, destroying farms. Orcs have attacked orcs on the road.
Hardly a hard peace.
Let him speak.
Dragon.
The dragon.
There is something at work beyond the evil of Smask.
Han Solo, you're a dead man.
Something far more powerful.
Dwarf. Is it down here?
Is what down where?
So, you said there'd be food and lots of it.
He.
That'll be the door. Oh.
Bal, at your service. Sir.
Good evening.
Yes, it is.
Shorter and wider than last we met.
Shorter, not wider.
Have you eaten?
Visitors. I like visitors as much as the next. But I do like to know them before they come. Visiting. Come. I don't know. Blunt. Come. But I had to speak my mind. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted.
Thank you. Your service. You must be Mr. Boggs. No. You must be Mr. Billy. No. You must be Mr.
Boggy!
You can't come in. You come to the wrong.
Has it been cancelled? No one told us.
For years. That's my mother's glory. Fox, can you please not do that?
Kid, come on. Give us a hand.
Let's shove this in the hallway, otherwise we'll never get everyone in.
Hey, everyone? How many more are there?
In the hallway.
Where do you want this?
No, there's nobody home! Go away and bother somebody else! There's far too many dwarves in my dining room as it is. If this is some bloodhead's idea of a joke, never is, there's no bloodhead's idea of a joke. I can only say, it is in poor taste. Excuse me, that's my chicken. If you don't, that's my wine. Excuse me. Put those back. Put that back. Put that back. Not the jam, please. Excuse me.
Late is all. He travelled late to a meeting of our kin. He will come.
Some of that bomber. Catch. Excuse me, that is a doily, not a dishcloth.
But it's full of cheese knife.
It's supposed to look like that. It's crochet.
Oh, what a wonderful game it is too. If you got the cheese knife for it.
Masticate these!
My dear Bilbo, what on earth is the matter?
What's the matter?
I'm surrounded by dwarves. What are they doing?
Oh, they're quite a merry gathering. Let's get used to them.
I don't want to get use kitchen. There's mud, trod in the carpet, they pillaged the mud. I'm not even going to tell you what they've done in the kitchen. They've all but destroyed the bathroom. I don't understand what they're doing in my plumbing.
Isn't it? It's one of my own.
It's not a sauce. It's an abomination!
Who would be so bold armed into my kingdom? Spies, thieves, assassins,
Dwarves, your malevolence.
dwarves, dwarves,
I'll handle this.
What's that?
no tricks. I want the truth. Warts and all. Flatten more than your trump. You thought you could escape me. What are you going to do now?
Hard P.
You're a dead man.